It's about the decision of the people that you will help, their future and their family's future, and even their peace of mind. Hello everyone! Thank you for watching my first episode last night. And kung napanood mo yon, you would really know kung saan nagsimula ang lahat. And this time, I just want to share a story kung bakit ko gustong magpatuloy sa ginagawa ko. A quick backstory, back in 2025, I felt like it wasn't my year. Ang daming challenges, ang daming naganap, but I really chose to still continue. Until September of 2025, I was chosen to be part of a personal development program in our company. We were not taught how to sell, but we were taught on how to improve our personality, our mindset. And on October 2025, there's a vision na nabuo sa akin. But you know what? The rest of 2025 wasn't really the thing I am expecting. So, come January 2026, I really talked to the Lord. Lord, ano bang plan mo for me? I have to make a decision. May kailangan na akong gawin. And I thank the Lord kasi na-realize ko na hindi pala sapat kung may idea ka lang. Kailangan mong panindigan. Because being a full-time financial advisor, sanay tayo sa numbers, sanay tayo sa projections, sanay tayo sa planning. But there's one thing na hindi natin kayang compute kaagad, gaya ng impact and like responsibility. Kasi pag FA ka, hindi lang product yung panghahawakan mo. It's about the decision of the people that you will help, their future and their family's future, and even their peace of mind. And doon ako kinabahan kasi hindi dahil hindi ako marunong, kundi dahil gusto kong maging tama yung ginagawa ko. So, I really paused for a while. Nag-isip ako, I prayed fervently, and also I assessed myself. Hindi kung ready na ba ako, kundi kung handa ba akong matuto habang ginagawa ko to. And this year, it really made sense. Naging mas malinaw na sa akin yung direction. This is not about being visible. This is not about the content, but it's about being present, being consistent, and being responsible. Kasi kung magpapakita ka online as a financial advisor, you have an obligation. You have an obligation na maging maingat ka sa sinasabi mo, maging malinaw yung intention mo, and of course, you have to be true to your advice. Matapat ka sa halaga ng advice na binibigay mo sa audience. And yes, there's faith na kasama dito. Hindi para ipangaral, but to remind myself na hindi ako pwedeng magpabaya. Because I believe every word has an effect. And every story has an impact. Kaya I really made sure na hindi ko minadali itong project na ito. I wanted to do it slowly, at the right pacing. Kasi mas mahalaga sa akin yung tama kaysa mas mabilis. And this is just an episode 2. Wala pang perpektong sistema. Pero alam ko, malinaw sa akin na pinili kong ipagpatuloy kasi may sense of responsibility yung ginagawa ko. And minsan, yun lang naman yung kailangan natin para magpatuloy. Yung alam mo na ginagawa mo yung isang bagay because you have a purpose. And that's why I have the Prosper Project PH, to share my core philosophy on dream, plan, and prosper. Again, this is Jiro, the Prosper Project PH, where purpose meets prosperity.